In this short video, we show you how to replace the voltage regulator of a Bosch alternator. First, remove the plastic bracket at the back of the alternator. The bracket is held into place with 2 nuts and 1 screw. After you remove the plastic bracket, you can see the voltage regulator. The regulator is held on place with 3 screws. After removing the old regulator, replace this for a new one. Tighten the 3 screws back into place. After replacing the regulator, put the plastic bracket back into place. This job is done. Easy, cheap and fast regulator replacement.